Hello, good afternoon. My name is Engineer Gosi Atioyi, automobile engineer. See, something is bothering me, so I want to chip it in. You see this period we are now, this subsidy removal period. Some people are still thinking it's temporary. It's not temporary, you have come to stay. What you should be thinking now is how to survive. What's the way out? If you're observant, you will notice number of vehicles on the road they have reduced. Traffic on the road they have reduced. Most people have learned how to move about now with commercial vehicles and even trekking. So what's the way out? How do we survive? The only way you will survive, the only advice I will give you is learn how to do some things yourself. It's not any small thing you run to your mechanic or your rewire. Your mechanic cannot do everything for you. Your rewire cannot do everything for you. If they do everything for you, then hunger will finish them. They are not finding it funny too. If you enter filling stations now, you will see even fuel attendants, they have started sleeping on duty again because people are no longer buying. This is the period you have to learn how to do some things yourself, small things. Start buying small tools, screwdriver, spanner, pliers, car scanner, especially car scanner. This is not a period the car owner will not have a scanner. No. You must have a scanner. When some things go wrong in your vehicle or when you suspect some things, abnormalities, run a scan. Know what the problem is even before you meet your mechanic so that you will save cost. This is the time you have to save cost at all cost. You must save cost at all cost. But if you like, fine. If you like, leave it. Most of the messages I get these days is, engineer, my car is consuming too much fuel. How do I stop my car from consuming fuel? Then the second one is overheat. My car is always overheat. I've been talking on these two topics for a very long time. I've done so many posts on this. Even right now, as I'm talking to you, I have 2 posts I did recently. I pinned them on my page. Once you open my page, look at the top. I pinned them. They have been there for more than 2 years. But yet, people don't read it. Even when you direct them, this post, read the pin post, they will still not read it. They want you to give the solution immediately. Is it not on the symptoms you give your engineer that he will know what the problem is? But when you keep on saying this, and if we keep on doing the same thing the same way, we will not make any positive impact. So let's change. Let's start doing some things by ourselves. Let's stop over dependence. You cannot compare your car is consuming too much fuel when you have not detoxified the system of your car. First, detoxify the system of your car. Know what your consumption is per liter. Once, make sure your consumption per liter at least reduce it to the barest minimum, 0.9, 1.0, 1.2. But some people, you check their vehicle, you will see their fuel consumption per minute. You will see some running to 1.5 liter per hour, 1.8, 2.0. The car is definitely consuming. Until you put all your firing components, all your engine components to the normal operating level, then that is when you will now start looking for a way to solve excessive consumption, if there is any. So, this is the advice I'm giving you. Okay, if you now say, okay, let me even run an intensive training or course on how to reduce your car fuel consumption or detoxify your system. Some people will still not have interest. So what is the way out? Nobody will help you. It's only you that can help yourself. It's only you that can help yourself. Only you can help yourself by learning how to do small things yourself. This is my message this afternoon. Thank you all. God bless you.